In 2020, a resident in California captured this mysterious footage on their doorbell camera. It appears to show a group of glowing orbs. As they fly across the path, more join them. The strange lights then seem to fly back together. They hover around each other and fly in unison for quite some time. But what are these mysterious objects? Is it just a natural phenomenon? Or perhaps a simple trick of the light? Many believe they could have something to do with the paranormal, whilst others think it may just be an elaborate prank. They continue to float around for some time, getting closer to the camera, before finally flying away out of sight.